In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a team on Canva. Whether you're streamlining your projects or simply need to clear out old collaborations that are no longer needed, deleting a team can help you stay organized. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. First things first, head over to canva.com. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the login button. Click on this to sign into your account. If you haven't logged in already, you'll need to use your credentials. This can be done using your Google or Facebook account, or just by entering your email address. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in and find yourself on the Canva homepage, look to the top corner. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on the icon to continue. This settings menu is where you'll be able to customize various aspects of your Canva experience. As you scroll down this menu, keep your eyes peeled for the option labelled Manage Teams. This is the section that allows you to view and manage all teams you're a part of. It's important to note that understanding Canva's organizational structure, including teams, can greatly enhance your productivity on the platform. With Manage Teams selected, you'll see a list of the teams you're currently managing or are a part of. Carefully look through this list to locate the specific team you wish to delete. Once you've found it, you'll see a delete button next to the team name. Click on this button to proceed with the deletion process. Before the team is permanently removed, Canva will ask you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial because deleting a team is an irreversible action. Once deleted, all associated projects and team data cannot be recovered. Take a moment to ensure that you want to go through with this and confirm your choice. One important point to remember is that Canva only allows you to delete teams you own. That means if you're a team member but not the owner, you won't see the option to delete it. Understanding this can be essential if you're responsible for team maintenance or if you're collaborating closely with others on shared projects. And there you have it, you've just learned how to effectively delete a team on Canva. This process can aid in keeping your workspace clean and manageable. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more of Canva's features, which offer great flexibility in designing and organizing your creative projects. Stay organized and see you next time.